Hi guys, this is 2015 Toyota Camry. So this car had a problem. They're not starting because the wrong jump start. They're going to replace battery, then swap the positive and negative terminal. Then they couldn't start. So I'm going to replace this one for the main uh, alternator fuse. They come in Fusible Link. They all blown. So after that we have to remove for the engine bay fuse box. You can see the alternator, the fusible link. See, the one pin is blown. You can see in the left hand corner. You can see in here is broken inside, so we have to replace that part, and it's located into the here. So we have to push down a little bit harder. So I can see in there to 10 mil screws going in there. So, and the tighten for the screws. Okay. This is the end of the video. We see you in the next one. Thanks.